Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I came to the realization that PR packages don't get a lot of love, and I wanted to sit down, open it for you guys moving forward so we can really get into the gist of it. I have a lot of opinions and first impressions I guess I get to share, and I feel like a picture is just not enough. So without further ado, I've accumulated about 2 weeks worth of PR. Let's get to it. I've never received anything from Miss Kim K herself, honey. So this is from Skin. I hope you enjoy this. Okay, perfect. I think this is mainly this skincare line. I'm kind of nervous to add new skincare to my regimen because I feel like I just got my skin back to normal. It's been a journey. We'll do another video about that. But here is what we have. The packaging is super love. This is their foaming cleanser. I gotta look at the ingredients to see what's in it, to see if it's for sensitive skin, if it's suitable for that. Here we have a face cream, obviously biodegradable because Miss Kenny wouldn't have it any other way. And I do think that her skincare is refillable, you know, eco-friendly and stuff. Look at how nice this is. It would look so pretty, like on a shelf or something. It seems like it has no scent, so that's already a good sign. It does feel really good in the back of my hand. All right, Miss Kimmy, we won't give this a try. Hopefully it doesn't break me out. My skin has just been super sensitive lately, so gotta be very aware of what I'm putting on. And they also sent me some makeup, some lip products. I did buy their new launch. I haven't gotten around to play with it, but it's coming. Oh, more lip liners, more lip liners. They sent me different shades. Oh my god, I have so many different shades. Now we have 4, 5, and 6. Let's just swatch them real quick. The lip liners looked very fair online. I was a little skeptical about which ones to buy. Ooh, 5 looks really good. They're obviously more cool tone lip moment. Yeah. So these are the shades. Very cool tone, very mauve. I think I already have this shade. Yeah, I have 5. Yeah, honestly, super excited for the skincare. I have high hopes. High hopes that it's gonna be amazing. Okay, some packages I don't know how to get in my hands. This is from Kaja Beauty Bento Stacked Eyeshadow. Oh, okay, honestly, I was not gonna open it. I literally saw this, and in my mind, I'm like, I'm not wearing purple eyeshadow. So the fact that I got saved by the bell, so marketing is so important. Okay, these are all mini eyeshadows that are completely out of place. This tape is stressing me out. Okay, I got it, all right. This reminds me of the Melt Stack eyeshadows. Remember, like from back in the day? As you guys can see, it has different eyeshadows. Okay, that's way better. I thought it was literally all purple. I was literally not gonna give it a chance and just give it away. So yeah, all different tones, so many eyeshadows. It would be really good for traveling. I hope the formula's good because if it's not, then, I mean, it's not gonna be good to use, but packaging, super great. Ooh, these ones are almost like shimmery. You guys see these? Very interested in this one. Oh my god, the pigment. When I tell you guys, I really wasn't about to open it up. Yeah. Next. What should we do? Oh, no. Not happening. YSL always say sending like the best PR. Here we have the Lash Clash in black and in brown. I've heard really good things about the brown one. Oh my god, that looks stunning. Look at that. I already have mascara on. If not, I would have definitely put it on. Up next, we have a package from Pollen Paris. They sent me some jewelry in a bag, and I completely fell in love with the brand. I think this is a book, and when I saw it, I was like, oh my god, I hope they sent it to me, and they did. So thank you guys. It's so pretty for like an office moment. Look at that. What is this? Voyage Tour de Plis. Whoa, I was not expecting this. Super luxe. Honestly, I'm actually gonna, very chic, very designer. I'm gonna actually keep this put away because I don't wanna get it dirty and use it in a further occasion. You know, maybe when I have like a new outfit or something like that. We're gonna manifest it, guys. It is too nice to just be put anywhere, but this is such a nice, gorgeous gift. So thank you, I appreciate it. This one I kind of cheated, I'm not gonna lie, because I knew what it was and I'm super excited. It is from Forward, letting me use their bags and I get to swap them out and wear them with different outfits. So I am gagged, like I cannot. I've always wanted a denim bag and I love the silver hardware on it. I love Jacquemus bags. I think they're one of the best bags ever. Also the most affordable, I feel like, in the designer range. So how cute is it? It's like an everyday bag and it's really light. You would think this is really heavy, but it isn't. So yeah, absolutely love her. I'm gonna have her linked. Everything's gonna be linked just in case you guys are like inquiring about any of these items. Up next, we have a package from Sopie Leslie. I've never tried their clothes before, and you guys know I'm a I wouldn't consider myself a fashion girly, but I definitely love like putting on outfits, showing you guys. And I got some bright colors now for summer. Trying to wear more color as I get older, you know, make my life a little more enjoyable. So I'm actually gonna do a try on haul with these, so I'll save them. But guys, these look so good. I'm gonna have them linked down below if you guys want to see what they actually are. But they sent me 3 pieces for summer, spring, so definitely will be styling these very soon. Next we have a package from L'Occitane. I have become obsessed with their body wash because it's like almond oil, and they was made PR literally like 8 years ago, and I never took advantage of how amazing their products are. So now every time they send me something, I'm like, please and thank you. Here we have everything shower routine bestie. Oh, sweet almond oil to nourish and cleanse. Okay, so basically it's like their almond cleansing oil, but it's not the oil, it's like a wash. So this is what it looks like. Very French, very luxe. I wonder what this smells like. Oh my god, the smell, if you love an almondy smell that's not too sweet, you're gonna love L'Occitane and all their products. Their skincare is also really, really good. I really enjoy their serums. Next, a package from Glow Recipe. They always have the cutest packaging, I feel like, and the cutest mailers. Part of me feels like I got these, and sometimes, guys, like we get double the packages, obviously by mistake. So I tend to give a lot away to my closest friends and family, or I give back to you guys on Instagram, TikTok. This is the Glow Recipe new Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Balm. Oh my god, this is so cool. I've always been a fan of the watermelon jelly serum SPF. It's literally a clear consistency. I cannot wait to see if this is gonna go viral on TikTok, because it probably is. And it smells just like their original products. It has niacinamide in it, which is really good for dry skin and sensitive skin. It feels so cool to the touch. I cannot wait to use this. I hope it works on my skin. And it also has SPF 45. Come on, you cannot go wrong with that. Did they send me 3 of them? They did. Guys, I am sucked up. And of course, here we have the Watermelon Dew Drops serum, which is good to put on. I feel like good skincare prep for makeup. Glow Recipe has it covered. Oh my god, I'm excited for this. This is the new Way product. It's literally a juice box. They have such creative, innovative packages all the time. Oh my god, so cute. Anything St. Bart's has been my favorite line they've ever done. Scrub, everything. I think it's a fragrance. Oh my god. Kind of hate to like throw away the packaging because it's actually so cute. I am gonna douse myself in this hair and body mist. Say less. I'm a body mist girl, and one of my best friends, she always makes fun of me because I always do the most. I'm like everywhere. Oh my god, it smells unreal. If you know the St. Bart's smell, it's not gonna disappoint. You're gonna want to smell like this every day. Every time I take a shower, I put on a body spray. Every time I leave the house, a body spray. When I'm going out, I'll do perfume, but this I'm gonna be obsessed with. The lotion, the body scrub. St. Bart's is literally like my favorite line ever. Next package is from Dior, and I'm super excited. I get so giddy every time they send me something because, come on, getting PR from Dior is like iconic. I kind of hope it's what I think it is. They have a new range for their blushes and glosses, but if it's not, it's okay. Oh, what is this? Oh, I think I know what this is. Look at it. It's just like always like the cutest stuff, and I always try to keep all the little bags as well. It is their new hand cream. Oh, it's just like limited edition. Look at how pretty, guys. I'm so obsessed with this. I'm not even lying. Look, I have literally my bag right here, and I carry the balm with me all the time when I travel. This is the original one, and this is limited edition. Basically the same thing, it's just different packaging. So basically it's like good for your hands, body, lips, anywhere you're dry. It's really nice and compact, so it's good to travel with. It looks so cute when you pull it out of your purse. All right guys, last but certainly not least, we have a big package from Kapari. Oh, cute. Yep. Oh my god, it just attacked me. Even that dragon fruit, whatever, fruit. Star Bright Vitamin C Moisturizer. Improves the appearance of skin that's dull. Look up. This package literally chose balance with me. Look at it, guys. So cute. Vitamin C, Vitamin C Mineral Sunscreen. The amount of sunscreens that I've received in PR, I'm not gonna run out until like 2055. Like literally so much. I am kind of sensitive right now to vitamin C. But like I said, I have to do my research and see if it's good for sensitive skin. So we'll keep you guys updated on that. But This actually looks really good, and Kopari is known for like their body and skincare products. They're known for their body products. I don't know if I ever tried face stuff from Kopari, so very, very intrigued. I'm actually gonna pump out this sunscreen. I recently learned that my mineral sunscreen is better for your skin. This is tinted. All right, let's see. Okay, it came out definitely tinted. It almost has like a sheen to it, like a glow. No fragrance. Mineral sunscreen sometimes can be harder to blend out. It seems like it kind of blurred out like imperfections on my hand. It was super easy to blend out, so definitely giving that a fair shot. All right, guys, that was all for this week's PR. Let me know if you guys like this kind of video, chit chat, see what's out there, see what's new. And make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, where I always review the products, put on the makeup, yada yada yada. And that's it for today, guys. I love you so much. Muchos besitos y abrazos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
We don't care.